Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si UniAce.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So ito guys is yung belt bag na color black.
Pwede na!
So titignan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. Or another scam of the year.
Hindi, wow.
Wow guys, legit si seller. Yun, ganda ng belt bag guys.
Sana all.
So legit guys si seller. Thank you for watching.